Located in industrial Gowanus, the Mac Support Store is Brooklyn's first Apple Authorized service.
It's true, we were the first. And then we dumped Apple in 2014 because they're kind of a parasite company. But it was an honor to be the first in Brooklyn to be Apple Authorized.
A very high level of customer service, quality repair, and fast turnaround time. We do sell new Mac computers.
We used to sell new Mac computers. We don't do that anymore because of the amount of planned obsolescence that they have in them. And people would come back every 3 years and say, why isn't it working? So we decided, thanks but no thanks, Apple, but we'll just sell refurbished ones that we'll build ourselves and make them faster than the newer ones.
Has an issue where their computer doesn't boot or they're getting a flashing question mark, they'll bring it into us, and for a flat rate,
We still do that, still do flat rate. Oh my God, look how bare that corner is. There's a lot more stuff in here now. 12 years later. This was pre-iPhone, so we were working on iPods and Macs. Now it's Macs, iPhones, iPads, and the occasional iPod.